Hello, Mr. Convict. How buddy? So let's check the flooding of the stalls. We had a really bad problem the last time, and we've tried to do some corrective things since then. This is day 1 of rain. We're supposed to get a little break today and then continue tomorrow, the next day, and the next day of just fully days of rain. That one stayed dry. I can already tell that Odin's is not going to be dry. Yeah, he had a little bit of flooding. Just a very little bit, though. We'll have to fix that up so that it doesn't flood anymore before the rest of this rain comes. Next up is Ollie's stall. Excuse me. It does not look like it flooded, though he does have a leak, so that little bit of wet may have been from that. Overall, though, it looks pretty good. We'll just have to scoop up some of the wet shavings. Nuh-uh. Last stall. I can already tell that this one's going to be okay. Yeah. Overall, not too bad. It did rain for 8 hours straight yesterday, so I am rather impressed that we only have this much. Like I said, we'll get rid of all of the wet out of the stalls, and then we'll try and do something to help correct Odin's stall here. I just wanted to say that you can drag a wheelbarrow through the ground still. Kind of random, but I just had to, so I thought I'd mention it. Oh yes, our white horse that's currently a paint. As for our last 3 stalls, obviously the parts that weren't covered got a little muddy, but overall they're fine. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!